Let's take a look at Boo Lake. It shouldn't be too crazy, but there are some spots to mention on this track. The ending bit is important because you save so much time. As you can see, you can pass people that don't take the cut for the win. Start recharging SMT, and after these two tricks, perform another SMT. Another way to do this is to charge an MT, hop left and drift right for another MT, and hop left twice and MT around this bit. For time trials, you want to aim for the coins and drift off this ramp, charging a UMT. I recommend taking it tight on line if you're in first. You also want to perform the NISC if you're running in first or any tip spot. Remember to always drift off this ramp and charge a UMT and release it onto this lower bit, hitting the single bush to the right. You can hop a bit to get back on track. An easier method to get this ending bit is taking it on the left side. It's a bit slower than the right, but it's still faster than going down the middle. I like taking the bill on this ramp. It should extend all the way to the finish line if you don't pass too many people. So basically anywhere from where the water starts to the ramp works, but I found consistency taking it on the ramp.